Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create dynamic multi-photo post on Instagram. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram and we're going to create a dynamic multi-photo post. So the first thing we're going to do is click on this plus button. Then make sure that you click on post option since we want to create a dynamic multi-photo post. And after that, you can click on this button. Then just select the photo that you want to post, and I'm going to select this one for the first photo. Then for the second photo, I'm just going to click on this one and this one and also this one. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, after we are done selecting the photo, we can click on next button right here. Then we can edit the photo before we post it, and just tap on the photo like this, and we can adjust the ratio and click on done. Then for the second photo, just tap on it, then click on done. And for the third photo, like this, and we can also add builder to our photo. And after we are done editing the photo, we can click on next button. Okay, and we can add caption to our post. For example, I'm going to add this caption. Then we can also add location, tag people, and add music as well. And after that, we can click on share to share this dynamic multi-photo post. Okay guys, and this is the post that we have just uploaded. Okay, this is the post. Alright guys, and that's how we can create dynamic multi-photo posts on Instagram. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.